Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add page number in Google Docs. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Google Docs. So let me open Google Docs. So once you open, you can select any page. So I'm going to select this one, for example. So once you are here, so here you can see that no page number. So let me add. So I want to add from here. So you simply need to click on insert, click on page number and click here. So now you can see page number on each page like this. So this is the process by which you can add page number in Google Docs. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.